If you think healthy eating in the UK is expensive or boring, think again. Today, I'm showing you my full weekly grocery haul, packed with affordable, nutritious, and absolutely delicious foods. Hey everyone, welcome back to Melt Mode, your go-to channel for practical health and fitness tips. Whether you're on a budget, busy, or just want to eat cleaner, this grocery list will keep you fueled for the week without breaking the bank. Let's start with the fresh produce, the real stars of any healthy diet. I grabbed spinach, kale, and mixed salad leaves for quick lunches. For fruits, I got blueberries, bananas, and apples, perfect for snacks or smoothies. And for cooking, I picked up carrots, courgettes, and bell peppers. The key here is variety. The more colors you eat, the more nutrients you get. Next, protein, the muscle builder and hunger crusher. I've got free-range eggs, chicken breast, and canned tuna, all high in protein and easy to cook. For plant-based options, I picked up chickpeas and lentils. They're cheap, filling, and full of fiber. For healthy carbs, I'm going with rolled oats, whole grain bread, and brown rice. Oats are my go-to for breakfast. Whole grain bread is perfect for quick sandwiches, and brown rice works for meal prep dinners. Healthy fats are essential, not the enemy. I grabbed a jar of natural peanut butter, some almonds, and a bottle of extra virgin olive oil. These keep you full, boost brain health, and make your meals taste amazing. Finally, a few extras: Greek yogurt, herbal teas, and dark chocolate, because yes, you can still enjoy treats while eating healthy. So that's my weekly grocery haul. Simple, balanced, and totally doable. If you want me to create a full meal plan using these ingredients, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy living tips every week. Keep a clean, bright kitchen background for filming. Show the items as you mention them. B-roll shots of you putting them on the counter look great. Add captions for food names, English. Love quick visual labels. Keep tone friendly, like you're talking to a friend, not lecturing.